Another great help when you're creating images that are destined for paper is to create it with soft proofing on. Soft proofing is where Photoshop simulates how colors will appear in a different color mode. And in order to soft proof your document, all you need to do is simply go to View, Proof Setup, and you want to confirm that it's on Working CMYK. And at this point, you can even just click it and it will automatically turn on soft proofing. You can tell that soft proofing is on because here in my document header, I can see that it says RGB, that's the color mode of the document, 8-bit, that's the color depth of the document, but then it says CMYK at the end, showing that it's simulating what CMYK output will look like. The other thing that you can do is go to the View menu again and just confirm that Proof Colors is selected here, and that indicates that this image is already being proofed. And again, soft proofing does not change the actual working color space of the document. It only previews that working space. So we're technically still working on an RGB document. We're just asking Photoshop to show us what the colors will look like. Because as I showed you before, I'll bring up this graphic again, and you can see that these color spaces look really different. RGB and CMYK have a different gamut. So soft proofing allows us to work in RGB, which gives Photoshop access to the most amount of tools, but it shows us what the document will look like in CMYK. Even at the end, when we actually literally convert it to the CMYK color space, we won't see any shift in our colors as long as we were soft proofing.